Now it's not moving. Can you believe it? Well, this moves. What my finger's pointing to right here, this does move. It was moving. It had left and right play. Now it's not. Another game. Oh, I see it moving. It's still moving. See down here? Oh yeah, you can see it better here. Nice. So let me know, Tyrone. Let me know, subscribers, what's going on with this. 2004 Explorer V6 4.0. And Happy New Year. God bless you all and your family. I always add that for my videos. So, Tyrone, my boy, don't know tranny builder. Some of these guys will know exactly what that is. That's Mel Banks. Peace.